Got a 98 Plymouth Neon. This goes for all the years of Neons. The wiper motor is not working. The wipers are going up, but they're not going down. So what we're going to do is take the wipers off. We're going to take this cap off. I already took it off to the 13mm nut. Take that off. And you just basically lift it up. Do it for both sides. And we want to get in here to see, take a look at the motor or the armature, see what's wrong. So we have to take these screws out, Phillips head screws. There's 5 going across, I believe. That was easy enough. Now we're going to try to figure out if it's the motor or it's the armature. Right now, I don't see anything wrong with the armature, but maybe just the motor. Probably get the whole unit used. Looks like we got 10mm here, one there, and one over here. We're going to start taking them out. Get this unit out of here. We're going to unplug this from here, slide this out. Just slide this little pin out. I don't know if I can actually filming it while I'm doing it. Once that pin is out, you're going to press this. Press or pull it up. You got to try it both ways and then separate them. Alright, so one thing you have to remember, there's one problem with these, is that there's 2 different types of shafts. I ordered a rebuilt motor, a new one. It's got a thinner shaft than the original. Then I ordered an assembly from the junkyard, and they had a different transmission and a different motor, so that didn't work. So now I'm using the original transmission with the used motor, and they were both the same size. They were of the wider shaft style. So some of these Neons are made in Canada, some are in America. I don't know if that's the reason, but that's what you need to know: wider shaft or thinner shaft. Okay, now we're going to put it in. Bada bing. Bada bing. Bada bada bing. Alright, so now I'm going to put the motor in. It's pretty self-explanatory the way it goes. I'm going to get these bolts in. 3 bolts again. And then we're going to plug it in. Put the wipers on. And take it from there. That's good. This is the ground wire. You must have that ground wire in there, or will not operate the motor without it being grounded. Remember that. Alright, we're going to tighten that up. little hook there. Alright, so I turned it on, turned it off. Now it's in the rest position, so you know you can put the wipers on. And then I'm going to assemble everything on top of it, the cowl vent panel, and the job will be done. Alright, I got the vent panel on. Make sure that goes on first. Now we're going to put the wipers on. Put it all back the same way I took it off. Now we'll give it a test. Appears to be good. Make sure they're not hitting. If they're hitting, we'll just readjust it a little bit. Looks good. All right, so we're going to go with that. Joe Beermaster, amazing again. Unbelievable.